Oh, these kids are driving us crazy. Let's get out of this tiny home and go on a little adventure.
Woohoo!
What do you reckon?
Let's do it! Fill my car.
Ooh. $2. Score. What have you found, buddy?
I found that!
What is it?
It says Alan Murray Peters, age 75 years. Died at
That one there! That one
that
there!
park there. No.
Oh, there's another one. Yeah, mate.
Look, Dad, look. Look, Dad and Mum. There's another graving and he and that dude there jumped off a high rock.
Yeah, by the looks of it, he might have got
Aaron
swept off the
gone.
rocks fishing, hey?
Dad, Aaron gone. Lucky it's not our daddy.
No, it's the same name as Dad though, isn't it? Aaron. And it's even spelt the same. Let's go and check out the cave.
Let's check it out.
Wow, that's a big piece of seaweed. Look at it.
Hey, here's a bone. There's like a big for like a tiger.
What have you found, buddy?
Big enough for a tiger or a bear?
Did you find a cave?
Yeah.
How cool is that? Are we going to go in and have a look in the cave?
Yeah.
Do you reckon there's any bears in there?
Nope.
No, there's no bears in Australia, is there?
No. But lions, nope.
What about
Wolves.
wolves?
Yeah. In cave. She's going back up a minute. In cave. So in the cave. Very dark. Careful.
So we go up and see how far it goes.
The lucky hiders. What? Hiders. Riders. Riders. Dad, you better watch out for the big wave! That's big!
They can't do it.
Buddy. Yeah, Dad's not flexible enough for the floss in his older years. Oh!
You have to put that in the other pocket. Because that actually hurt me.
Yeah, you punched me right where the keys are. Oh, empty pipe. You girls flossing?
Yep. Yeah. Something like this it goes. Like real quick. No, he doesn't.
Ollie does it real quick. Ollie does it real quick. Our cousin Ollie.
Alright, come on.
Ollie.
Well done, buddy. Good job.
Ollie Keegan does it.
How about we get the floss out of here then?
I can do it. What's this?
I know.
I'm still practicing doing it fast, but I can still do it like that. Can I do it? Hey, Mummy, what's
Can you concentrate, Lila? Slow your talking down. Concentrate on walking, okay? You've already hit yourself once.
How am I going to cross?
Wait till we're off that dangerous.
Will we just jump and die?
Do one thing at a time.
Are we going to go that way or are we going to go back then?
Who votes to go that way? Who votes to go back? You can't vote for both. Right, who votes to go that way? Who votes to go back?
No.
Right, what do you vote for, Dad?
I'm Dad, so my vote counts as 2.
Far out, as if.
I vote to go forward. Keep moving forward. Yay!
We actually practiced the one-legged dab before. Kids just want to quickly do the one-legged dab.
No, it's my turn. That's not how you do it. This is how you do it. You have it. You have it. You have it.
Mum, your turn to do the dab.
This is how it's done.
Dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita,
Muerde para aquí, muerde para allá.
dame tu cosita, ay,
See what YouTube does to our kids?
I know. FGTV did that to our kids.
Belly up, zombie up, bow leg and now walk like a shark. And there's also this one. Pop your belly up, put your zombie arms up, put a ball between the legs. Now let me take your head up.
Lila, come on. You can get down from there. That's silly.
You can do it!
Come on. Stop coming back. Go that way. That way. That way. Oh.
Where's that Noah gone?
You sort her. I'll get him.
No, you deal with her. I'll take the easy chop. That kid is too emotionally intelligent for me.
Noah, I got a big bag of Skittles at the bar.
Hear that, buddy? Skittles!
He's stuck, he said.
No, he got himself into it.
Yep, the middle size, baby. 2 packets.
I want one and no one can have one.
Yeah, you need to come down. No, you come down. Yes.
This is how we teach our kids to conform when they don't want to listen to us. We bribe them with lollies and chocolate.
Not just lollies and chocolate, Skittles. Go that way, because there's a little track there. Or something.
Okay, so it's a deal.
Dad can fit, you can fit, and Lila can fit. I'm walking under a bridge.
Mummy's group is getting ready.
I don't know how to get up there somehow. But we'll find out the way to get up there, bro.
Alright, out that way?
Yeah, keep going that way.
Come on, Lila, keep going.
I know, let's just go.
Come on,
I just want to know.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this far. If you like this video, much appreciated if you could like, share and subscribe and support the channel and support what we're doing. Okay, thank you.
Subscribe! Hit that thumbs up.
Let's roll, dude.